course, you might just get lucky. Actually, it's not luck.
Action.
And now they have their very own favourite chef, creating irresistible recipes out of the very... No, one more time. Okay.
Action.
And now they have their very own favourite chef, creating irresistible recipes out of the very...
Move in. Sorry.
And now they've... Oops. It's not luck. No, that's not right either. Not a lot of meat on it, but it's very tasty. Always a buzzard being mobbed. One more time, immediately. And it's a talking point, if the evening isn't going well. One more. They can't resist it, you know. And now they have their very own favourite chef, creating irresistible recipes out of the very finest ingredients, especially for them. Well, all right, maybe I'm not exactly a chef, but birds know what they like, and so do I. And it's this, and that, and a bit of that, and sometimes some of that. Very rarely that, but I like them.
And cut.
Goodbye.
And action. And cut.